Welcome to our video, where we'll be discussing 6 foods that could potentially harm your kidney health. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and toxins from our bodies, so it's important to be aware of the impact certain foods can have on their function. Join us as we explore the potential risks associated with these foods and learn how to make informed choices to support kidney health. We've meticulously curated a list of 6 foods that are best avoided to safeguard your kidney health. Throughout this discussion, we'll delve into each culprit, shedding light on their detrimental effects. Stay tuned to discover if any of your preferred foods have made the list. Remember, knowledge is the key to empowerment, and by the conclusion of this video, you'll be equipped with the essential information required to nurture the health of your kidneys. Let's get started. 1. Soybean products. Soybean products, when consumed excessively or in certain specific cases, can potentially have adverse effects on kidney health. Firstly, the high protein content in soybeans and soy-based products can exert pressure on the kidneys, especially if they are already compromised or if the consumer has kidney issues. While protein is essential for muscle building and maintenance, an excessive intake can overwork the kidneys and lead to kidney health issues. Secondly, soybeans contain high levels of phosphorus, a substance that can accumulate in the bloodstream if the kidneys cannot effectively filter it out. Phosphorus accumulation can result in elevated blood phosphorus levels, known as hyperphosphatemia, which can contribute to kidney damage. Thirdly, some soy-based products, such as soy milk and tofu, may contain significant amounts of potassium. In individuals with kidney problems, high potassium levels can disrupt heart rhythm and lead to potentially dangerous complications. Furthermore, soybeans contain natural anti-nutrients such as phytic acid and trypsin inhibitors, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals such as calcium, iron, and zinc. Impaired mineral absorption can exacerbate nutritional deficiencies, particularly in individuals with compromised kidney function. Moreover, soy allergies are not uncommon, and allergic reactions to soy products can manifest as kidney-related symptoms such as proteinuria, excess protein in the urine, or nephrotic syndrome, a group of symptoms indicating kidney damage. Lastly, it's important to note that the impact of soybean products on kidney health can vary depending on individual factors such as overall diet, kidney function, and any underlying health conditions. 2. Caffeine. Caffeine, commonly found in beverages like coffee, tea, and energy drinks, can have complex effects on kidney health, both positive and negative, depending on consumption patterns and individual health status. The diuretic properties of caffeine, which increase urine production, can potentially lead to dehydration when consumed excessively. Dehydration strains the kidneys by reducing their ability to efficiently filter waste from the blood. Consequently, this underscores the importance of moderation in caffeine intake to prevent such adverse effects. The temporary increase in blood pressure that caffeine can induce in some individuals poses another risk to kidney health. Elevated blood pressure over time can damage the blood vessels within the kidneys, compromising their function and potentially leading to kidney issues. This emphasizes the need for individuals, especially those with existing blood pressure concerns, to monitor their caffeine intake closely. Furthermore, excessive caffeine consumption has been associated with increased urinary excretion of calcium, a factor that may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. This underscores the importance of considering the potential impact of caffeine on kidney stone formation, particularly for those with a history of kidney stones. Moderation and awareness of caffeine intake can play a role in mitigating this risk. 3. Rice. Rice, a dietary staple for many cultures worldwide, is generally regarded as a safe and nutritious food. However, its consumption may pose potential implications for kidney health under certain circumstances. The high glycemic index of some types of rice, particularly white rice, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can contribute to the development or worsening of conditions like diabetes, which are risk factors for kidney damage over time. Moreover, rice grown in regions with arsenic-contaminated soil or water sources may contain elevated levels of arsenic. Chronic exposure to arsenic has been linked to various health issues, including kidney damage and an increased risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Thus, individuals should be mindful of the source and quality of rice they consume to mitigate potential arsenic exposure. Furthermore, certain rice dishes, especially those prepared with added sauces or seasonings, may be high in sodium. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which can strain the kidneys and exacerbate existing kidney issues. Despite these potential concerns, rice can still be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced meal plan. Opting for whole grain varieties like brown rice can provide additional dietary fiber and nutrients while helping to mitigate some of the potential negative effects associated with refined white rice. 4. Canned food. Canned foods, although convenient, can potentially pose risks to kidney health due to various factors associated with their processing and packaging. The use of bisphenol A, BPA, in the lining of canned foods presents another concern. BPA exposure has been linked to kidney damage and an increased risk of kidney disease. Therefore, individuals may consider choosing BPA-free canned options or opting for fresh or frozen alternatives to minimize exposure to this potentially harmful chemical. Additionally, some canned foods may contain phosphorus additives, which can be problematic for individuals with kidney disease. Excess phosphorus intake can lead to mineral imbalances and bone issues, further underscoring the importance of monitoring phosphorus intake, especially for those with compromised kidney function. Furthermore, added sugars in certain canned foods, particularly fruits and desserts, can contribute to obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems, all of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Therefore, individuals should be mindful of added sugar content and choose canned options with little to no added sugars whenever possible. 5. Seafood. Seafood, while rich in essential nutrients like protein and omega-3 fatty acids, can also pose potential risks to kidney health due to various factors associated with its consumption. The high phosphorus content in many types of seafood, including shellfish and certain fish varieties like salmon and mackerel, is worth considering. Excessive phosphorus intake can burden the kidneys, particularly in individuals with kidney disease, as the kidneys may struggle to excrete the excess phosphorus, leading to mineral imbalances and potential bone issues. The high sodium content found in some seafood, especially processed or canned varieties, presents another concern. Excessive sodium intake can elevate blood pressure and lead to fluid retention, both of which can strain the kidneys and exacerbate existing kidney problems. Thus, individuals should be cautious about their sodium intake and opt for lower sodium seafood options whenever possible. Additionally, certain types of seafood, such as shark, swordfish, and king mackerel, may contain high levels of mercury. Chronic exposure to mercury can be detrimental to kidney health, particularly in vulnerable populations like pregnant women and young children. Therefore, individuals should be mindful of their consumption of high mercury seafood and choose lower mercury alternatives to minimize potential risks. Furthermore, allergic reactions to seafood are relatively common and can range from mild to severe. These reactions, while not directly impacting kidney function, can lead to dehydration or systemic inflammation, which may indirectly affect kidney health. Opting for seafood options lower in phosphorus, sodium, and mercury, and being aware of potential allergic reactions, can help mitigate potential risks to kidney health associated with seafood consumption. 6. Fast food. Fast food is often laden with unhealthy fats, particularly saturated and trans fats, which can elevate cholesterol levels and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. These conditions, when chronic, can indirectly impact kidney health by reducing blood flow to the kidneys and compromising their function. Therefore, avoiding fast food's high fat content is crucial for maintaining optimal kidney health. In addition to unhealthy fats, fast food is typically packed with added sugars, contributing to the risk of obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. These conditions are closely linked to kidney disease, emphasizing the need to minimize fast food consumption to protect kidney function and overall health. Moreover, fast food often contains highly processed ingredients and additives, which may harbor harmful chemicals and preservatives. Prolonged consumption of these substances can potentially impair kidney function and contribute to the development of kidney-related issues over time. Lastly, certain fast food items, such as those high in oxalates found in fries and processed meats, can increase the risk of kidney stone formation. Regular consumption of such foods without sufficient hydration can lead to the formation of painful kidney stones, highlighting another reason to avoid or limit fast food intake. In summary, the detrimental effects of fast food on kidney health are multifaceted, ranging from elevated blood pressure and cholesterol levels to increased risk of kidney stones. Prioritizing a balanced diet rich in whole foods and minimizing fast food consumption is essential for protecting kidney health and promoting overall well-being. In this video, we've discussed the potential risks that the 6 mentioned foods may pose to kidney health. Living a healthy lifestyle is essential, especially for those with kidney health concerns. By adopting healthy habits and making mindful choices, individuals can support their kidney health and overall well-being. Here are some lifestyle tips for maintaining healthy kidneys. 1. Proper hydration. Drinking an adequate amount of water each day is important for maintaining the efficient functioning of the kidneys. Proper hydration helps promote the kidney's filtration process and eliminates waste and toxins from the body. 2. Follow a balanced diet. Consuming a nutrient-rich diet, including vegetables, fruits, lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, nuts, and beans, and complex carbohydrates such as whole grains and brown rice, supports kidney health. 3. Limit sodium intake. Restricting sodium consumption is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Sodium can increase blood pressure and stress the kidneys, so try to avoid processed foods and added salt in meals. 4. Control blood sugar. Managing weight, keeping blood sugar levels stable, and avoiding excessive sugar intake can help protect kidney health. Poorly controlled blood sugar can lead to kidney damage over time. 5. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol consumption can cause kidney problems and increase the risk of kidney diseases, including kidney cancer. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve blood flow to the kidneys and support the removal of waste from the body through sweating and urination. 7. Regular health checkups. This includes routine checks of blood pressure, blood sugar, and kidney function. Early detection and treatment of kidney health issues can prevent potential kidney damage and improve overall health. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.